Welcome to the ultimate guide to optimal sleep and muscle recovery. In this video, we will dive into the crucial role that sleep plays in enhancing your health for a longer life and promoting muscle recovery to improve your physique. Sleep is often overlooked in the realm of fitness, but it is a vital component in achieving optimal physical performance. When we sleep, our bodies undergo essential processes that repair and rebuild muscle tissue, allowing for growth and recovery. Without adequate sleep, our muscles do not have the opportunity to repair themselves, leading to decreased performance and increased risk of injury. Understanding the relationship between sleep and muscle recovery is key to maximizing your health and fitness goals. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can improve your muscle recovery time, increase muscle growth, and enhance overall physical performance. By improving your sleep habits, you can experience a myriad of benefits, including increased energy levels, improved focus and concentration, and enhanced muscle recovery. Join us as we explore the importance of sleep in fitness and muscle recovery, and discover how you can optimize your sleep to achieve your fitness goals. Understanding sleep cycles. To truly grasp the impact of sleep on muscle recovery and overall well-being, it's essential to comprehend the different stages of sleep and how each stage contributes to the body's repair and recovery processes. The sleep cycle consists of 4 stages: NREM, non-rapid eye movement, stages 1, 2, and 3, followed by REM, rapid eye movement sleep. Each stage plays a crucial role in facilitating muscle recovery and promoting overall health. Deep sleep, also known as NREM stage 3, is particularly important for muscle growth and repair. During this stage, the body releases growth hormone, which aids in muscle recovery and regeneration. Deep sleep is when the body repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and replenishes energy stores, essential for optimal physical performance. To enhance the quality of each sleep cycle for better muscle recovery, it's important to prioritize sleep hygiene practices. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment can all contribute to improving the quality of your sleep cycles. By focusing on enhancing the depth and duration of your deep sleep stages, you can maximize muscle recovery and overall well-being. Nutrition for muscle recovery. In the quest for optimal muscle recovery and fitness results, the connection between nutrition, sleep, and muscle recovery cannot be overstated. A proper diet plays a crucial role in maximizing the benefits of sleep and promoting muscle repair and growth. Consuming protein-rich foods before bedtime is essential for muscle repair during sleep. Protein provides the building blocks necessary for muscle recovery and growth, helping to repair damaged muscle tissue and promote muscle protein synthesis. Incorporating sources of high-quality protein, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, into your evening meals can support muscle recovery while you sleep. Hydration is another key factor in muscle recovery, as water plays a vital role in nutrient transport, waste removal, and overall cellular function. Staying hydrated throughout the day and before bedtime can aid in muscle recovery and prevent dehydration, which can hinder performance and recovery. To support muscle recovery during sleep, focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts into your evening meals can provide the necessary nutrients to fuel muscle repair and recovery while you rest. By prioritizing proper nutrition and hydration, you can optimize your muscle recovery and enhance your fitness results. Sleep environment optimization. Creating an ideal sleep environment is essential for enhancing muscle recovery and promoting better sleep quality. A dark, quiet, and comfortable sleep environment can significantly impact the quality of your rest and support the body's repair processes during sleep. A dark environment is crucial for signaling the body that it's time to rest and promoting the release of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Investing in blackout curtains or eye masks can help block out external light sources and create a conducive environment for deep, restorative sleep. Quiet surroundings are equally important for minimizing disruptions that can interfere with sleep quality. Consider using earplugs or white noise machines to drown out noise disturbances and create a peaceful sleep environment that promotes relaxation and rest. Comfort is key to ensuring a restful night's sleep and supporting muscle recovery. Choose a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support for your body, and maintain a cool room temperature to promote optimal sleep conditions. To improve sleep hygiene and create an environment that fosters muscle repair, establish a bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, gentle stretching, or meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress levels before bedtime. By optimizing your sleep environment and implementing strategies to enhance sleep quality, you can support muscle recovery and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Exercise and recovery. Understanding the intricate relationship between exercise, rest, and muscle recovery is essential for achieving optimal fitness results. Different types of exercise impact muscle recovery in various ways, with factors such as intensity, duration, and frequency playing a significant role in the body's repair processes. High-intensity workouts, such as weightlifting or high-intensity interval training, (CHIAT), can cause micro-tears in muscle fibers, leading to muscle soreness and fatigue. Adequate rest is crucial for allowing these muscles to repair and rebuild, ultimately promoting muscle growth and strength development. Incorporating rest days into your workout routine is key to supporting muscle repair and preventing overtraining. Rest days give your muscles time to recover and adapt to the stress of exercise, reducing the risk of injury and promoting overall performance improvement. Optimizing workout schedules to maximize muscle recovery during sleep can further enhance the benefits of exercise. By scheduling intense workouts earlier in the day and allowing for sufficient time between exercise and bedtime, you can ensure that your body has the opportunity to repair and rebuild muscle tissue during sleep, leading to improved recovery and performance. Balancing physical activity with adequate rest is essential for achieving long-term fitness goals and promoting muscle recovery. By understanding the impact of exercise on the body's repair processes and implementing strategies to support recovery, you can optimize your workout routine and enhance your overall fitness journey. We have explored the critical role that sleep plays in muscle recovery and overall fitness. Sleep is not just a time of rest, it is a crucial period during which the body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue, supporting growth and recovery. By prioritizing quality sleep, you can optimize your muscle recovery, enhance physical performance, and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Key strategies for enhancing sleep quality and promoting muscle repair include creating a dark, quiet, and comfortable sleep environment, incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet for muscle recovery, incorporating rest days into your workout routine, and optimizing workout schedules to maximize muscle recovery during sleep. So take action towards improving your sleep habits for better muscle recovery. By implementing the tips and strategies discussed in this video, you can support your body's repair processes, enhance muscle growth, and improve overall physical performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about the importance of sleep in optimizing physical performance. And be sure to tell us your sleep routine in the comments below. Together, let's prioritize quality sleep for better muscle recovery and overall well-being. Thank you for watching.